Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can disable the save options on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you're gonna do is, first thing you're gonna open your Snapchat app, and you're gonna tap on your Bitmoji icon on top left, and go ahead, tap on the square icon on top right, and simply scroll and get this option off, and tap on this option of view my story and choose my friends only, so only your friends can have the access of it. And let's say if you want to simply disable the save option while sending a snap on the chat section as well, you're going to create your snap, and whenever you send, make sure to swipe all the way to the down and tap on the snap timer and make this only play once. So when they open it up, they won't be able to save it, and afterwards they won't be able to reopen and get the save option as well. So that you have to make sure, and then only send the snap of yours and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.